Welcome to eNotes How-Tos. I'm going to show you how to submit your essay for review on eNotes Essay Lab. We'll help you produce your best essay ever while helping you grow as a writer. What is Essay Lab? It's a way for you to get comprehensive academic feedback on whatever you're writing. Whether it's a college application essay or term paper, our experts will provide you with paragraph-by-paragraph feedback on grammar, sentence structure, thesis strength, and more. Here's how to get started. Visit eNotes.com and click on Essay Lab. Click on Submit Your Essay. Now, tell us the title of your paper and a little bit about what you're writing. This will help your writing expert better understand the scope of your assignment and will allow them to better help you. Simply upload your essay in one of the following 3 formats, or copy and paste the text in the box. If you're not signed in already, you'll need to create an eNotes account or log in to your pre-existing one. Once you're signed in, we'll send your essay to one of our writing experts and we'll let you know as soon as they begin working. Once your essay review is complete, we'll send you an email. Download the new document and your newly reviewed essay. You can take this feedback to help craft your best essay ever and develop and enhance your writing skills. What are you waiting for? Become a better writer and visit eNotes.com/essaylab today.